Greetings and welcome to my UK Games Expo 2022 video. I'm Tonyous Z. I've got a few experiences I want to share with you, a few games that I've bought, and the hat. It grew. I made at least badges here for the tournaments we're entering. For the tournaments, Rummy Cub, terrible. Azul, I got 4th. Carcassonne 4-player got 6th, and Hive. No, I didn't. I won a game, but I'm not very experienced at Hive. But it's a good game, and some of the players were really serious and they really wanted it. I'm like, well, they deserve it more than I do. But anyway, other parts of the hat. I forgot. Of course, there's last week's hope to qualify for Catan, but didn't make it because of illness. So we're going to go to Patriot Games. I kept the badges on anyway, which is cool. And I got a bunch of badges from the event itself as well, which is very, very nice. Indeed. Games I bought, so I got a couple of dice from Geek and Son, so entered the raffle to win a table. I've got my eye on a table. When we get the attic room done, I'm getting a game table. It's going to be epic. Tanto Curie, I got a couple of boxes, original and Oktoberfest. I got a game mat as well. Yeah, dice tray for Games Expo. Of course, you get I've got my 3-day badge there as well. I've got a shirt. I pre-ordered that one, and I bought that at the event. I just got to get a dice tray. It's got to happen. It's going to happen. You've got to have it. Really, if you go to the event, get one of them, because if you don't, you regret it. Other games I bought. For Tatakura, I got playmat as well, which is great. It's quite big, and you can play all games on it. There's quite a few different versions. You can play them all. It's 10th anniversary playmat. Camistodo. Very, very intellectual game. Can't wait to destroy Caroline at that. I got Minecraft for Maverick. Well, it's the expansion for his Builds and Biomes game, which is nice. The guys of Cosmic Voyager who have come running up to me and says, "Oh, because he got a badge hat. Here's a badge." It got me attention. Went and played the demo. Bought it. Yes, I did. Oh, exciting stuff. And I've been looking at this game for a while. I play this on Board Game Arena now and then. And you just got to buy a game. And now I'm going to build one, a big one, in the garden, because you just got to. So my garden games are going to be probably this, Giant Yahtzee, and Giant Catan, probably, eventually, when I get a chance. I've got too much on. I also got the Hive expansions of Ladybird, Ladybug, should I say, and it's a Ladybird, and mosquitoes. So I got those as well. Yes, there's a couple of things I also want to show you, which I really, I got talking to the guys that made them. I'll go into that in a minute. But overall, weekend was amazing. People were really into my hat. Got a lot of questions about my customised meeples that I built when I played Carcassonne, which were great. Everybody there was friendly. I didn't have a single problem with anyone. It was fantastic. I loved it. And even though you're being home, yeah, you're a bit down because it's over, but you know what? 2023. As soon as I've done this video, I'll probably get online and see if I can get my hotel sorted. Gotta do it. It's going to happen today, as long as I can. But as soon as I can get the hotel sorted, the better. And then looking next year. Other stuff I'm looking at later this year, possibly. I'm going to the MCM Expo. MCM Expo. It used to be Expo. It was better when it was Expo. The Comic Con. I'm going there in October. Was ChillCon in August, is it? I think it's August. And there's also a Mind Sports Olympiad as well in London, which I'm thinking, definitely MCM I've got it sorted out, but see if I can get to ChillCon and Mind Sports. That'd be really good. And continue the gaming awesome memories, because memories are important. Sod money. I know we're all struggling, but sod it. Memories are important. Life's too short. So the weekend as a whole was amazing. Hung around my friend Simon. That was great. He's taught me into doing the Spaceship Simulator next year, which I'm going to be doing. It's just, you got to go. It's an amazing event. It really is, and I just can't wait to go back next year. So thank you, UK Games Expo. Thank you for great memories and bringing a lot of good people together. It's been amazing. Okay, so a couple of things I want to talk about. War on Terror. It's a new tabletop game, and it's on Kickstarter launching in winter 22. I'll be sporting it because it looks amazing. Go and check it out. Go and check it out. War on Terror. Can you scan that on your screen? I'm not sure if that'd work. Can you do a QR code on your screen? Not sure. I don't do QR codes that often, but you can try it if you want. No, hold it still. There we go. Can you do it? Will it work? I don't know. And then you got Mage Systems. And this fancy piece of kit here. You probably can't see it very well. You need to go to Expo and have a look. But that fancy piece of kit there, you can do role-playing games on that. It's full of screens. You've got an area for the Dungeon Master. The Gatekeeper. Whatever you'd like to call a person sitting in that booth. What a seat. They've got a monitor. There's a monitor here which shows you the game. There's tablets around here where each player has a seat to play a game. And I think, and I did show this, I know late on Sunday, but I did show this to Patriot Games in Sheffield, and hopefully now they've got a brand new shop. It'd be great to see one of these in their shop, you know, it really would. I've got a little book handy. Hang on a minute. Wait a minute. If you go to UK Games Expo, you get big maps too, but you also get a nice glossy guide with all kinds of things. It was like interviews, the map to the entire event, and all kinds of stuff. And there's also a little treasure hunt as well. Not sure how much I influenced that, because in 2020, when they had the virtual Expo, because of this old disease madness, I did say on the chat room, can we have some kind of treasure hunt where we can get, end of it, get badges, and we were talking on there about QR codes and things like that. And when I went this time, there were 2 treasure hunts. I've got a page somewhere. I've got on the hand. Yeah. So you got the there's an advert for route there. On the back, it's First Timer's Guide. But inside there is a treasure hunt for Games Expo, which is Cold Spring Games, and a Catan scavenger hunt. And you go around and you try and find the codes around different places of the expo, and it takes back to the desk, the main desk, and you get a badge. And you get this. I've got one on here, but they gave me another one because I did it another day as well. But you get a little badge like that, see? And not sure how much influence I had on that one from talking in chat room a couple of years ago, but I'd like to think that I had a little bit of, a little bit of a push on that one. That'd be nice. But anyway, I can't wait for next year, so I am going to end this video here. I've probably missed a ton of stuff out. One of the things I've got to mention is anybody who were passing me outside in between the NEC and the Hilton Hotel when it were raining like crazy on Friday, it thundered and everything, and we had to get back from the Hilton because Simon took me to show me the simulator and the rooms there, because I usually stay in NEC, you see. And it started raining, and it was just right, it was coming down, but just right before the absolutely disastrous storm we had. And I didn't want to get wet. I got my bag with me, I got games on me. So I started shouting, "To the trees! To the trees!" And I'm not sure what people thought, but I think Simon was a bit embarrassed. Sorry Simon, sorry to everybody that got disturbed me shouting that, but it's me. I can't help myself, I'm insane. So anybody who played me at tournaments and that. Oh, that's wonderful. My son just told me he's going for a wee. He's at home, he's not at school because he's ill. And he's just told me he's going for a wee on video. Yeah, I'm going to make a video with him. I bought a bag of dice. £10. This is going to be my new tradition every year. I'm going to go and buy dice. I'm going to make a special video with Maverick on this one. Even though he's really ill this morning, he seems a bit better. He'll be going to school tomorrow. But we'll make a video on that anyway. Anyway, this is the end of my video. I've been Tonyous Z, and I'll see you in 2023. Unless you see me first. Thanks for watching.